If you're someone who uses Telegram often, you know how easy it is for certain conversations to get buried among dozens of chats. Wouldn't it be helpful if you could just tap once from your home screen and jump right into your favorite chat, whether it's a best friend, family group, or work channel? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a chat shortcut in Telegram on your Android device. By the end, you'll be able to access your go-to conversations instantly without ever having to search or scroll for them again. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Telegram app. Go ahead and find the Telegram icon on your phone and tap to launch it. Now it's important to make sure you're in the chat list view, the main page where all of your recent conversations are listed. Sometimes Telegram opens into a specific chat if that's where you left off, but for this, we need to see the full conversation list. Just tap the back arrow if you need to return there. Next, you'll need to decide which chat, group, or channel you want to create a shortcut for. Maybe it's a project group that you check a dozen times a day, or perhaps your family thread that's always buzzing. Once you've found the chat, here's a key step. Tap and hold. Don't just tap, but actually press and hold your finger on that chat entry. After a moment, you'll see a context menu pop up. It might take a couple of seconds, and if nothing appears, just try holding your finger a bit longer or make sure you're really pressing on the chat preview itself. In the menu that pops up, look for the option labeled Add to Home Screen, or sometimes it'll read Add Shortcut, depending on your version of Telegram or Android. Tap that option and you're almost there. At this point, your device might ask for confirmation before the shortcut is created. For example, some phones offer to add it automatically or let you drag the icon to the place you want. If you see a prompt, just tap Add or Automatically Add, either works fine. Don't worry if it looks a bit different on your phone, the wording might vary slightly, but the main idea is the same. Now return to your device's home screen and you should see a brand new icon. Usually this will use the profile photo or group icon from the chat, so you'll recognize it right away. Tapping this shortcut doesn't open Telegram's main page, it jumps you straight into that specific chat. It's a real-time saver, especially if you have a couple of key conversations that you keep coming back to throughout the day, kind of like having a speed dial for messaging. You can repeat these steps for as many chats, groups, or channels as you like. Just keep in mind your home screen might get a little crowded, but for those top priority conversations, it's worth it. That's all there is to it. Now you'll never have to search for your favorite Telegram chats again. They're right at your fingertips. If this walkthrough helped you, please give the video a like, leave a comment below if you have questions or ran into any hiccups, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful Telegram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.